So we are going to discuss about basic geometrical ideas. This topic is from class 6 NCERT chapter 4. Assuming that you understand the meaning of point, line, line segment, ray, parallel lines and intersecting lines, we will start exercise 4.1 as this is chapter. So the first question is use the figure to name. So the figure is like this, it is O, B, E and D. This is page number 74 of NCERT book of class 6. O, C and this is B. Now the first question is we have to name A 5 points. So the answer would be D, E, O, B and C are the 5 points. B, a line. So we have to name a line. So line is here, D, B is a line. So how do we write line? We write line like this, D, B is a line. Next is C, 4 rays. 4 rays will be ray, OB, this one, ray, OC, this one, ray, OD, and there is one more ray which is not named. So you can name either this one you can name or you can write OE. OE is also a ray which is a part of OD. So OE, the ray OE is part of ray OD. So we can simply name it as up to D we have named, let it be F. So OF will be the 4th ray. 4 rays we have to do, 1, 2, 3, and this is only part of OD only, and this is 4. So these are the 4 rays. Then 5 line segments, D. 5 line segments would be DB is a line segment. Then it has 2 endpoints. OB is a line segment. OC is a line segment if we take up the point up to this only. OE is a line segment and DE is also a line segment. So line segments are also the parts of rays. So a ray contains a number of other line segments. Now we will go to the next question. The next question is question number 2, page number 74, NCERT class 6. Name the line given in all possible 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. So there is a line given. You can read the question from textbook. This is question number 2 from page number 74. This is exercise 4.1. Read the question from the textbook. This figure is given that there is a line A, B, C and D are the points on it. Now how we can name this line? So either we can say that this line is AB, or we can say that this line is BC, or we can say that this line is AC, or we can say that this line is AD, or we can say that this line is BD, or we can say that this line is CD, or we can say that this line is BD is done, CD is done, AC is done, PC is done. So we can say this as BA or CB, CA or DA, DB or DC. So these are the 12 ways in which the same line can be named, because both the ends are limitless. So any 2 points represents the same part of the line, and that can represent the whole line. So this is the answer here. This was question number 2. Question number 3 says, use the figure to name. So first of all, we'll draw the figure. The figure is like this. There is a straight line and there are two intersecting lines. This is F, this is E, this is D, this is B, this is A, this is C, and this is O. Question number 1, 3A. Line containing point E. So point E. So the line containing point E is line FE. B. Line passing through point A. Which line is passing through point A? Line BE is passing through point A. So B will be line BE is passing through point A. Line on which O lies. Line on which O lies. So O lines in line CB, or we can say CO. Either it will be CB or line CO or line BC. All three answers will be right in this case. D. Two pairs of intersecting lines. Two pairs of intersecting lines. So one pair is OC and AE. OC and AE is one pair. Another pair is EF and CO. EF, line EF and line CO. So question number 3 is done. Question number 4. How many lines can pass through A? One point, one given point, and two given points. So A. Infinite lines can pass through any point A. And B. Only one line can pass through two points. If I take any point A, so there can be infinite number of lines which can pass through this. There is no count. As many lines can pass through it will pass and may form a circle, and then too there will be space for line to pass through it. But if there are 2 points A and B, only one line can pass through it, touching both the lines. Now we'll do question number 5. Question number 5 from page number 75, NCERT, exercise 4.1, class 6. Draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following case. 5. A rough figure we have to draw as per the given instruction. So the first instruction A, if you see the textbook, point P lies on AB. So this is a line segment AB, so we will write AB like this, and point P lies on it. So we can take any point. Someone can take point here also, here also, here also, anywhere point can be taken. So 1 is done. Then B, X, Y and PQ intersect at line XY and line PQ intersect at a point M. So let this be PQ, let this be XY. They are meeting at M. This is also done, this is also done. Question number C. Question number C. Line on which O lies. Now that is done. This is question number C. Line L contains E and F but not D. So there is a line L contains E and F but not D. So D will be away from here. Then question number D. Line OP and line OQ meet at O. So line OP and line OQ. So O is a common point here. O is common point. OP and OQ meets at O. So this could be this with 180 degree, or this can also be like this. Line OP and OQ, let this be O, meeting at O. Now this cannot be angular. So if I will make it angular, say if I write O here, P here and Q here, then this will not be line. This will not be line. This is correct, but this will be wrong. Why? Because this is not line, this is ray. In the question we have been given line, so we have to do line. So be careful. In this case OP and OQ meets at Q, so it has to be a line. OP has to be a line and OQ has to be a line. But if we will make it angular, then OP will become a ray. So we will not make it a ray. We will keep Q, O and P collinearly in the same line. Alright. Now question number 6. Now we'll do question number 6 of page number 75. NCERT class 6 maths exercise 4.1. Question number 6. A. The question says that there is a figure drawn MN. In that figure, various points are there. Seeing these points, you have to answer a few questions. The figure is drawn like this: Q, M, O, N, P, and this is the line. So refer to the textbook. The first question says Q, M, O, N and P are points on the same line on the line segment or the line MN. Yes, it is true. Similarly, B, Q, M, O, N are points on the line segment MN. M, O, N are line segments on the MN. Yes, this is true. C, M and N are the endpoints of the line segment MN. Yes, it is true. D, O and N are the endpoints of the line segments OP. So in line segment OP, the endpoint has to be O and P, not N. So they are saying that O and N are the endpoints. So it is false. E, M is one of the endpoints of the line segment QO. QO. So M cannot be the endpoints. Either Q or O would be the endpoints of the line segment. So there cannot be one of more than one endpoint in one end of the line. So M is one of the endpoints of the line segment QO is wrong. For line segment QO, either Q or O is the endpoint. So this is false. F, M is point on ray OP. If it is a OP ray, then M is a point on it. They are saying this is wrong, false. G, ray OP is different from ray OQ. OP is different from OQ. OP, ray OP is different from ray QP. Yes, they have different origin points. Although they are collinear, but they have different origin points. So OP is different from the ray OQ. True. I, ray OM is opposite to ray OP. OM and OP are opposite. True. J, O is not the initial point of OP. Yes, for OP, initial point is O, and they are saying not, so it is false. And K, N is the initial point of the ray NP and NM. NP and NM. N is the initial point. Yes, true. This is true. So with this, exercise 4.1 finishes. We will be doing exercise 4.2 in our next class. Have a great day ahead.